We don't have to borrow money from anywhere.
After all these things,
yes, Salam Mustafa Bekachre say, Mahamudu Bawumia don't even say, a lady bina we free MPP about NDC no. Sa lady the time on one office na girl no pimpimba. And on this Salam Mustafa Kacha Bawumia say ampa and Bawumia say no problem. Hey, Bawumia, or you outdoor or indoor? Outdoor or indoor? Are you a cop? And your boys nakika, aye, yakika. Mugo Musai, boys, yakika, I Harvard doctor, Mugo Musaro, indoors or outdoors. Bawumia, Nansen is in some way in a review. Nansemu, Mr. P, I beg give me 5 minutes, make a deal with this matter. Because we all forgot, Mr. P. I want that video, the Mustafa Salam video where he did a live and told Ghana for you, oh, Bawumia dear, sa lady no, na Bawumia friend personally ko share them busan, oh, lady we yate say, or pimpim mama MPP for penny for no cray. Ain't and Salam Mustafa, oh, true. Or say Bawumia can be Bawumia's uncle. That means that Bawumia no a client. Indoors or outdoors, Mr. P, I beg you. Indoors or outdoors. Na mimpo ye yampo ya tigana ne nimpo say sa na say eye pimpim ba ma Bawumia. Anything a lady no free party na yanko for ya MPP mu pa because that's what the client need now call. Either so the client no call or the package ni call and as we just package ni ho e ma ye nyi obi ma na organize package no. Pe Mustafa Salam akwana kwati botono because near nim na mpo minim po say lady no me at the end of the day a political party MPP epokran so togum obi jai NDC no ba MPP for begino obi jai NDC MPP no ba NDC for begino. Party is about numbers. It end me gina say make say me call de gum for begino because omo hia nipa it end so be free MPP. Now about NDC, me I don't see anything wrong with it. It's politics. So be to say Bawumia gas we jai MPP or call UPR. I will not have a problem because the same thing. So ideology the same. Send so be because nipa we jai party we waba party we. I don't see anything wrong with it because politics there, it's all about the numbers. It's all about people. It's all about people who are willing to be part of a political party and helping the party. It's media. I don't really have a problem with people switching from party to the other. I don't really care about that. It doesn't really. I've done politics. I've done politics to the point where those little things don't change. It has not changed my opinion about parties' agenda, ideology, and vision. It doesn't because people cross carpet all the time. And when people cross carpet, it does not mean it's a party, vision, ideology, no. When people move from one party to the other, because when you are in a political party, you are looking at the holistic picture, the holistic vision, what the party represents, and what you believe in. It is how believe in the ideologies of the NDC. Maybe and the MPP will say MPP for Jimmy, Obeso NDC. Why should I have an issue with you? Send the NDC now who is about Bawumia now who decided to could Bawumia chia. I don't have a problem. I wouldn't have a problem with you because I would decision. Unim say Nipano on your okay now could chair or problem. When people move from one party to the other, I don't make too much noise. I don't even pay attention to that. It's about can the person support the party? Can the person also be in line? Can the person believe in the philosophies, the principles, the vision, where the party is going? Is the person willing to help for the party to get to where it wants to get to? That's it. Yate political party and yanko konerete ye di nipa neti. Yate political party and yanko konerete e nipa neti. So you cannot be selective about who joins your party. Maybe you can find a way to make sure say Obama communication about party in your man. Yeah, but you should not be. I just Inti momianhwe Mustafa Salam adia odiye Bawumia na ye refi nso na toy dan say nti ama ejimifo akotete but I will see a chirechirem ya de ya no. Thank you very much Mr. S. Thank you for bringing the video in. Inti neatia ansa na edibo wo mu no ye din kan dia preni ansa na edibo wo mu no ye di preni ansa na manfo so akeke manfo ansa na di dwuma de na hyehye so ye na ye tia sante fokin na se me nyina asante memu me oboasini akwara me ya santini mapa otumfo na naneme me sa ye chenchen hina me kyekirem ema asantefo na nanom ne bi omogimi no omote nyoma ase na o ka se yampo sa ye nue ye onim nyansa mpa enne aha eni nti na asantefo di bi dome because and the for the domino MPP for the domino because me take kasa nyansa etumi ema omunuano ma sebio omumbi Jimmy ewo MPP no cause ampa sa brantie nyame na ehira no yes see sebio yemfa de ben de nipa ho abufo nkansem na brantie no medina tebasa na menim sa ne kasa ye go for no Nicaragua for sa de di adanse na ye kasa sa ne yi ho na se konkonsa de ejiri hwe Kevin jai ai obwa every na kubem eyensam keka ai say me nyini on Nicaragua for asa so I am a Nicaraguan. I am a Nicaraguan. It is a soup. It is not a soup, sorry, it is a stew. Now near tia and an ancien near Shikra near the Yenia Bre Emma ye ready Ghana beko and a ye Salam Mustafa Bekaches. Oh, a brand about why a lady Biana or a party. I could join the NDC. Now lady na could join the NDC into MPP for Bebrebu. And I think the lady made a comment recently. Her own opinion. The way when I make comment here, it is my opinion. Obi have the right to speak their mind. Until lady a comment, about how she feels about the MPP, why she moved from the MPP to the NDC. Fine. I mean, I don't care about those things. Obana and arguing because she used to be part of the MPP. Now, Sister Neka said it is a soup, no. Now MPP for said no, it is a stew. Why are you bagging? Has somebody bagged? Inti Lady Nika said MPP no, it is a stew. And MPP for said no, it is a soup. Inti Lady Nika said we na MPP for youth national youth organizer. Onye Bawumia 8 Obwa Bawumia from the time Bawumia power. Onye Bawumia and Nam Bawumia campaign. Ujim honestly a 10 to say Bawumia. And Obaba until say no. Asamna Lady Nakano. Sebio obechich mu Ghana for mu asamna say bo ya de tie nke bi hyemu Nicaragua for be kese a omo pepa no achia na achia so emu ye okọ Nicaragua e ba ebu ni first no say ye de ba beji usika edi na say ye beji ademuade a yes bo asebe de aka na obi anim say sebio chia na achia emu ye moja de emu edu chensuo omo boa obeji usika edi ai ademude saa ba ni ebu na himfie pa ene na ba afọ akotobu ene odi nya sika ai achia na achia na embu ye na ewiase de untumi uyemu nso no emfa saa wanhyem opa kire se hey ba afọ akoto ni kro no ba afọ akoto enti eye time asam de ba no na eye Mustafa Salam oye national youth organizer one Bawumia na nam ono nimba Bawumia chairman memitie mi nimba Bawumia. The honest truth is that mihu Bawumia da. It is so shocking, right? Yeah. Memetiye Mahamud Bawumia mihu physically da. Obi abe hunu da. Eye de Ekufuado. He came to governor's seminar at Washington DC. I filmed that seminar. I was there. 2016, when the NDC were campaigning, MPP were campaigning 2016 elections, I was in Ghana. I filmed with my wife. It was a documentary I was shooting. That was the first time different politicians were MPP and NDC. I think that is the time I John Mahama for the first time in my life, 2016. Yeah. It was trade fair. I think, where did they have? I think Ekufuado, they had their final rally at Efwa Sutherland Park, if I'm right. And NDC for a final rally, it was trade fair. If I'm right, I think because we shot this documentary for some outlets. And that was the first time company me who mama no ojina car no she red. And when I was filming myself and my wife, we were filming. So I saw it clearly. I zoomed in. Now, enti me nimba Bawumia tina office that me who gani da in my life. There are so many politicians in Ghana. Me who me over NDC from the top. Obi to say General Secretary of MPP me who NDC me who da. Fifi Kwete me who say that with my eyes. Me who say Fifi Kwete the me who da. I said it physically me who da brabo. I can show you executive NPP mu MPP for the be bebre MPP me boss see apebe da ntokwa an because woni pa no hu woni pa no hu woni na sa de mo ye nyina woni na kasa intina na MPP for member se me bo mo de no omoba krom ha ya me ne na ekode na me ne de tena se young ones no be ba ku mienu bi sam ya wuku kojo pa omo ye me nkofo me ne tena se di nkomo inside enti me unim nipa me nim nkofo me need time for nkofo de nipa bebre ni bomo enti atia na abayo an kasa na Mustafa Salam ono ne Mahmoud Bawumia nante from 20 de Also, okay. NDC had theirs at Stadium and an MPPA trade fair. Yeah, I remember very well, 2016. That's right. Yes, that's how we filmed it. I think MPP was trade fair and an NDC Stadium. So that's where we filmed it. Now, abayuana kasa wie no ena Salam Mustafa said no. Asamna abayuana kan ono onimba Bawumia cha abayuano. But you know, say sa lady na ofri MPP eba NDC no na oya special aid to Bawumia. Say Bawumia dware a otumi ko bom kokoko. Your Excellency, me pacho obi hwehwe also let them wait. What say Bawumia twitwe ne say let them wait. Let them enti onim Bawumia. Say bia Bawumia pe bibie dia. Ono na Bawumia friends bra. Get me something nice to eat. Something nice, soft, very, very succulent, something that I can really feel. It's lady no Bawumia chem majority of you. It's because says our time no munyina muji to mu NPP for na enimu post lady no Bawumia personal aid. Na enimu da. Say na enimu so tumi ura Bawumia dem ekoje paper keke. Oh, Your Excellency, can you sign here? Bawumia dampe mu krampo na bedsheet katare ho a otumi sorry na we yi pen in the side bed no you know a sign so you can close the door behind you. It lady no nim Bawumia. It is our kokra na okwaji document free Bawumia. It does not matter where Bawumia is, what he is doing, in which position. She didn't care because the aid Bawumia aid no. Na me ekwamiti I never knew. It about you the free MPP ba NDC no. And Wabeka Sana, Salam Mustafa, only the onim Bawumia. Any lady where relationship chobia, and Mumia go to Salam Mustafa. Na minim da. Na minim da sa Bawumia kasa to nsa frɛ ɛyɛ de Salam Mustafa kasa matise lady or your pimp. Ya kasa pimpa. It says Sebio Bawumia ebuta say obia Sebio oboaboa ajantra fo ano. Na Sebio de ma etitiru ɛne form pimp. Na nye de bia na nye hye na nye titiru on se bi mo nye titiru but e bia pimp nim no na wa mane kakra on se efia koto sei ono oye pimp ono sei no enche se also paul ba ne ho fe and de apie walo mukuo ono de ohyehe ono de hia ne se wabo ode be ma wo enti enya pimp nyina na pimpi ema eye etitirufo pimpifo bitumi pimpi abodamfo e de manipa bi e dependent de ewo go ejejire wo de mesi ya wo mia na papa na ojima wo no I Dr. Kevin ojima wo wie no say ode pasoma papa on twa me belika ko no say o kasa inti we papa twa me furuma no o se nchirechirem ene je mtumi chirechirem na ye de nchirechirem so esi fa pem so inti mumia go tie Salam Mustafa National Youth Organizer obechirechirem mumia nyina go tie nsam insura sa enwoma o mumia go tie enya me na meka o Salam Mustafa mun tie ne yie.
Then I get a call to come before DMB. I go, we talk about other issues. Then he asked me, are you aware? Do you know? Have you heard that Rosemond is a pimp? Then I said, sir, as far as I know, I have no evidence that she's a pimp, but it is an opinion people hold about Rosemont that she's a pimp. Then he said, okay.
But also, you know, bebre wo ha. Brofo na o kanenti ama omonti de omo kanase. Abrantie we your friend Mustafa Salam. Ono ene National Youth Organizer. One Bawumia na nanti abedu nne. Abayo kanase we friend Rosemond no ye MPP ni ende or NDC. Na Rosemond no be kasa na nse ma MPP fo buofu e ma na omo ya madwene se ende ye ntiase ye be kan de oyeye. De eye Salam Mustafa e kan nyina na se o se na oho. E na Mahamudu Bawumia friend se Salambra. O se Bawumia wentiem. O se Bawumia kas o bra na miri ni fi. E na o se o file de o call Bawumia ho. O say I nimade kwenti Bawumia friend quietly o ka chen so Samira ni fie na bra. Enti Salam Mustafa say Bawumia friend say ombra no office e o fie na ombusa na sembi. Enti o so call Bawumia office no. E na Bawumia say tupono nim, e na Bawumia say onto gate nim, e na otum kakra. E na otena Bawumia nim, e na Bawumia say abayo your friend Rosemond no. What to say or the mama mema. And now say oh Bawumia asemi di o kan bro for na midjom yo o kase bebo akobia wo de and so Your Excellency, Mahmoud Bawumia. Eye abayo no. Bawumia samo busa abrante na se Bawumia or knowledge. Or say, are you aware? Meaning, Bawumia already knows. Say, Ebia lady need your no. But maybe he wanted to know. Say, Salam Mustafa, you trying to kwatia. Say, you are kwati button. Or no, so idea say, Obania send beya. Ebia Salam Mustafa be wunne say, or ne Ebia Rosemond no. Alleged Rosemond no. Sena or the mama na enye Salam Mustafa wanwa. Ultimately, because we can say, oh, Kevin, are you aware? Meaning, me and me busa ask a question. I am already aware. If I am not aware, I wouldn't be able to ask you the question. And they say, oh, study Bawumia question now. Mustafa Salam say, Bawumia Busan say, are you aware? Before I ask you, are you aware of something? Then I should know what I am asking you. If I have no knowledge, then my question wouldn't be, are you aware? My question would be, do you know? But I will not say, are you aware? Because before I say, are you aware, then I'm already aware. In Bawumia Busa Salam Mustafa say, Wunim say, wanka say, Wunim, or say Wunim say, a Rosemond or Chichema. And a Salam Mustafa say, oh, me dear Mate, Yakeka, Yeti, and some aninam from him, na Sebio, men sedanim. Because Bawumia wanted to be sure, say, Mustafa so yamani biana yamani bi. Na send ye beya Mustafa ba na obi she eya Bawumia table ase na sebio kwaswa enye Mustafa wanwa. Enti Bawumia Mustafa say Bawumia friend no Bawumia busa say, are you aware? And Mustafa say, bo wafa, Your Excellency, I am not. But matete, oh yenim yekeka udu kumasi asane kano yekeka. Now, moment to video no so because brofunti or say yabotre.
Then I get a call to come before DMB. I go, we talk about other issues. Then he asked me, are you aware? Do you know? Have you heard that Rosemont is a pimp? Then I said, sir, as far as I know, I have no evidence that she's a pimp, but it is an opinion people hold about Rosemont that she's a pimp. Then he said, okay, but I don't have any evidence. But that's the opinion about her. And he said, okay. Later on, I hear so many things that have happened in the office. Some amount of lies and issues of disrespect. And it was beginning to cause some disruptions in the office. She was assigned a role, she leaves the role, and she was more interested in following DMB around. And when she started following around, that's where a lot of information, began to trickle in for all of us to understand. At the time, DMB was the sitting vice president. Wherever he gets his information from, I don't know, and I can't go and ask him. So he was getting a lot of feedback and information. Using DMB's name in doing things that were not proper. And I'll share just a few because I cannot speak to everything. DMB was going to UK for a program, and a list was sent to the protocol officer to work on. Rosemond takes her passport to the protocol officer and says that DMB asked her to bring her passport. But the protocol officer who has been working around knows that that is not the right procedure. That's not how it is done. Upon further checks, it was established that it was not true. It was not DMB that asked her to do that. You cannot use the man's name in such a vile manner.
moment twas wa ha said the enuanom a omonte brofo se bi on person mo ti asem no ti ase no omo so beti ase na o kasa no Mustafa Salam e ko nanim no say later na oti se Bawumia officer Rosemond adwuma ho na ensam kokoso ose otiti bebre ni na mfrabem na question person me busa Salam Mustafa no say what will make Mahamudu Bawumia ask that question? Because that time, now 8 people had been killed during election 2020. Bawumia didn't care. So that time, now in Suafa, when I four, Emma Nipabiawu, Emma, Oma displaced. Bawumia did not care to ask you about that. Bawumia did not care to ask you about even tardy girls. I know Bawumia did, as the vice president, the head of the security police council, he did not ask any question. But question here about Bawumia, and it's there Rosemond or your pimp, and answer on your pimp. Are you aware? Very important. Are you aware? Say Rosemond, your pimp. It people say so. This was what was worrying him. That was the only thing. One friend, the national youth organizer of the party. And your only question to him, any Rosemond, whether she is a pimp, whether Salam Mustafa is aware, say Rosemond, a pimp, it's not interesting. And Nyawama say, Bawumia friend, the national youth organizer, come to my office. When we say Rosemond now yemi aid wahano, do ram officer no, do to be crata brem wo dem no, mate say, we are aware say or your pimp. Then you ask yourself, it's vice president and the biggest problem no. Nipa ya boni patuo 2020 elections. Bawumia didn't ask anything about it. The dollar was close to 24. Bawumia did not care. Fuel prices. The fuel was almost 24 to a liter. Dollar was almost 18. We were talking about inflation close to 57. We were talking about unemployment rate getting out of the roof. We were talking about interest rate. People could not even take loans. We were talking about an economy that was basically collapsing. Bawumia did not feel about anything. He did not care about anything. The only thing Bawumia cared about was to inquire. In fact, wasn't to inquire, to double check whether Mustafa Salam or himself Rosemond Sebio or Linea Jantra for. Now, the question here again, answer the met one in some no. Now, Sana Rosemond, your pimpa, one of na Rosemond, pimping man, a mom, MPP mu. Bawumia problem in answer for Salam Mustafa. Now, Abusa said Rosemond, unim so or your pimpa. Said now Rosemond, your pimpa. Who was Rosemond pimping to? Who was pimpilizing? Rosemond, who was basically, who was the client to Rosemond? Because the pimpilization had to be pimped by pimpilized, by a pimpilized person. So, who was the client to the pimpilization sector? Now, Mumian can some yanko in Samana Salam Mustafa. Bawumia is sounding like a pimp gang. Is part of the gang, the pimping gang. Mahamudu is a gangster. He is a gangster. Now, Mumian ko dena Salam Mustafa eke kan bro fun mi dwom nyenko yenim. Salam Mustafa kasa no see. Afei, oni Bawumia di san komo no nko anwi okọ no. On say later in samu sisi. In samu sisi o Bawumia office. In fact, Okabibi or say, when the ladies started following Mahamudu Bawumia, when Rosemond, or see time a Rosemond started on the Bawumia, a among, somebody following somebody. Especially a vice president of the Republic of Ghana. Not anybody can just get into the circle of the sitting vice president of the Republic. They lie bad. There are so many MPP for they don't have the right to go close to the vice president. So if Rosemond is following the president, the vice president, then it means that the Bawumia no vice president, he gave the green light, his security gave the green light for Rosemond to be following Bawumia. And following, we use that word advisedly because when they say somebody is following a politician, if you say nipane to me a breaky security, a politician, then it means the politician is aware of the role of the person following him or her. Salam Mustafa said, when Rosemond began or started following Bawumia, meaning Rosemond was given the green light by the Bawumia team, Bawumia himself to be following him. Mustafa Salam who said, Bawumia nankasa na ma ho kwan ma Rosemond beka the circle nim. Now Bawumia, if you are aware or not aware that Rosemond is a pimp, why would you allow Rosemond to be following you? Bawumia busa eye Mustafa Salam question no. Bawumia eye obi a sebio oye aware kra onya we at least if you have a perception about Rosemond, Rosemond should be stopped. But Rosemond kept following Bawumia around the nation. Bawumia ko campaign and adwono wan be fiam beda Rosemond wom. Bawumia ko baby no pediane dia Rosemond wom. Bawumia ekoda hotel na adwo obi akoda Rosemond as an aide. Somebody trusted by Bawumia otumi wura ho. Until the question here is, says Salam Mustafa said, when Rosemond started following, nobody can follow the vice president without the vice president knowing. There are people who can be part of vice president entourage, but not everybody has the right to follow him closely. But Salam Mustafa said, when Rosemond started following, the word is following, Following, following. Ordinary political talk. It's ye manaya fe. Ye chirechirem se ne baya obi ngina baby. Enka say ye kan sama to obi so. Now, Salam Mustafa Kasano or say Bawumia had the UK program. Na Bawumia also called UK. Ne yerenka ho onon kwa. Now, in the vice president's office, we are all aware Nipa handle vice president passport. Listen, Rosemond had the passport of the vice president with her. Rosemond edi sa passport no edi kwa koma protocol officer no na Bawumia passport ka ho me ko bedu enye oba bia na betuma age me passport ekuta unless I have something special with you. Enye oba jenjen bia. Now we are talking about the vice president of the Republic of Ghana oko UK. Na Rosemond na edi ne passport eko protocol office. What are you telling me? Oh, catch him say Rosemond ne tumia owa Bawumia hono na limited. Are you mad? Into your see, Rosemond edi list ne ko protocol office no. Rosemond do on or say me din fa ka ho fa me passport shem na Bawumia na say fa me passport shem. Yeah, ko UK. Iti Rosemond ko ye no. Na okuta Bawumia passport and okuta group no moko and odu on say protocol officer. I am part of this trip, so I am adding my passport. Mustafa Salam Ekasano or say later they got to know say that is the decision Rosemond took without Mahmoud Bawumia knowing. The question here is, so Rosemond take a decision way. Not decision way, a very dangerous decision. Now, Rosemond basically went against Emra Emma Obitumi vice president. Why didn't they sack Rosemond that day? Why didn't Mahmoud Bawumia say that this lady is a liar? This lady is basically doing things she's not supposed to do. Why didn't Bawumia come out to say sack her today or don't allow her to come close to my office? Mahmoud Bawumia never said that. From our information and from his own explanation, Rosemond was still working in the office of Mahmoud Bawumia. Remember, Bawumia Nebusa Mustafa Salam Kotiboto say, are you aware? There are two words we are working with here. Following and are you aware? Following, are you aware as a sentence? And do not forget, because Ebesaba, are you aware from Bawumia? And Mustafa Salam say, following Bawumia. It is a girl no at the document in the coy and then the passport to come and later ever finding out to say the vice president Mahmoud Bawumia has not instructed her to do that. What are we supposed to do? We are supposed to fire the girl that same day. Why didn't they fire the girl? The girl was still with Mahmoud Bawumia. Mommy uncle back na yenkutie Salam Mustafa.
Use the man's name in such a vile manner without his authorization. Then there was another incident. She wants to sit in meetings she's not supposed to, and at one point my boss Samia Uku questioned her, do you have to sit in this meeting? She said yes. The boss asked her to sit in the meeting. But Sami knew that no, that will not be the case because that meeting, she wasn't supposed to be there. And later checks also revealed that she was not supposed to be in the meeting, and she lied about that, saying that it was the boss that asked her to come and sit in the meeting. There are many instances of these things I don't want to, mention.
So at a point, yes, Samia will meeting because so our Bawumia officer name more Denny. So the change need to be so. Meeting because of Bawumia officer per Salam Mustafa, Yanini nim, yet your baby in your fire. Yanyaman in so the court. Your factory in so for Munyo Menina man call for us to let people in. Ya Jiri home yet your baby, ya nimshi yan kebi shemu, Adamudia near chain. Adamudia. Bribe na ye train. Gun of what the BI ye train bribe. Yeah, sorry, ye needy ye in for your yama, ye try light him, and kotra by them, walk a kaye, ye mattress in other zoom, ye foo for your water share fridge, in swag of fridge master, into ye yamu jaye. Ye what chile. Adiachia, ye not Adamudia ye train bribe, and I'm most of them are about the ye chim, quasi a four. Mustafa Salamo Casano, or say. Rather go LBB. Debbie, I'm going to go with Jimmy. I'm so Kevin Muadia. Me, I'm with Jimmy to LBB. I'm with Jimmy some molly. Where Jimmy Dumble? Huh? Mustafa Salam can see him, baby. After passport incident, this year, Bawumia Pama girl na girl no down a office war, Bawumia Kwashawa no call, no command coffee, no appeal to me. So 38 minutes, 42 minutes, Bawumia and Chebia 13 seconds. Na girl no pay, began to round check, watch out 12 seconds, Bawumia de on check. Now, Mustafa Salamo Kasano say in Brebi do na meeting chenche mu odene bi eba so ana penifo a sebio omo de omo ehia se ombetena meeting mu na also mutinem na omo meeting na abrayiwa no Bawumia to wo Samia wukuti wo na party mu penifo na abayiwa no bowura ho obowura no twe akonwa Bawumia office nkonwa miensa na ho ba ko ye ne de na yere de na ba ko akonwa ne ba besra na otena so na otwe ne yere de na tena so. Hey, boy. August Inti Mustafa Salim chire mu no. Say oba no twe akonwa meeting koso Mahmudu kasa impenfo ye din embema ka mo hwe ato nchen ese kokuo etie nyansa efri Bawumia ho na abayiwa no twe table akonwa twe na otena so. Ho na Samia wuku tontom ono de abena kokko ne ko no wi a chire no. And on what trying to say, now meet na ye, who I didn't know about him. And again, say, my boss not on a semi metinum. Now, at that moment, who Mahamudu Bawumia, we are vice president. I buy your kind of passport, I pass a protocol. Musuwa Kodiatro, well to man Pamono. Oh, your meeting, so I intruded the meeting, pulled a chair and sat and told the people there, say, whoa, Bawumia also on Tenassin. What really happened? From Salam Mustafa, no, girl nitina meeting and day. So this is the scenario. A pimp enters a room where there are a lot of pimpies. Now the pimpies are there and the omo chain said meeting because so and the pimpta who is Bawumia because the girl is the pimp. And then girl non kwara no mu yedwan e pimpies. And omo a sebi omo te ho no Bawumia omo ya pimpters omo no mo ya pimpim omo. And at that time no sa situation no otumi say abedu a pimpilization situation a obi antumi nka. So the pimpy enters, the pimpters are there, and then the pimpilization conversation goes on. Into a day into Bawumia to manya bear man can say, hey, please get out. You are not part of this meeting. In fact, you don't have that capacity to be sitting here. Bawumia no jom. Every say, girl no come Bawumia coffee. Watch her 33 seconds, 18 microseconds. No PA. Only the umbro 33 seconds. Watch her 38.2 seconds. No PA. Into the biano to Bawumia officer. No man coffee. Into Ujina okra. Urema 38.2 seconds. No PA. On check Bawumia DSO BN. Into Mustafa Salam na him. Into Obusan say, hey, now buy you yes so to me. Abayiwe party no mben party no abayiwe yesi na onka Bawumia ho enso Mustafa Salam asem o chechim che say abawiya no na ne nsa tuam ne nsa wom na otim mom yanko na yanko tie na mensa dwudwam Mustafa Salam na say Bawumia relationship with Rosemond.
Of these things, I don't want to, mention, but just to give a clue of some of the things that were happening. Senior management began to, get uncomfortable to the extent that Rosemond wanted to serve DMB's food. How? When there's a protocol to handling his food. How do you come just some few months, you want to handle the man's food? All of these things were happening concurrently. Not gelling. Then you came to meet people at the office. Now you wanted to show that you know DMB more than those people. And Papa said this, and Papa said that. Then people will say, no, this girl is talking too much. One time, Rosemond follows the vice president to Sunyani. And this girl goes to cry in Sunyani because she was not put in the same hotel as DMB. She was put in a different hotel.
Mustafa Salam Kasar, in Samna, in Suya Toya Hayo. Hey, some more. Or see, in some of the Nina happen concurrently. You can say concurrently. Now I say, in nomadi di boom. Anoma jaridi na achim police dia omudi di bom ya fane concurrently enoma di bom a omudi omuti so ko sa okọ poultry farm na enkoko odidi obi aso ko ya fane concurrent eating or say the okeka ye nyina passport ne nsam samia wuku ka say owura Bawumia ni nyina happen concurrently ni nyina happen de pe kwan so na ni nyina didi so na ejina so bebi ejina na ekorenim na o say mbre bi duye eno kwa ne twa ne yemu no Mustafa Salam or the national youth organizer of the NPP or your turning about Bawumia turning or your Bawumia close relation. In fact, or your Bawumia 8 eba mbema or see asebi kura na eseno or see Rosemond at a point. Rosemond so-called Bonia wedding na yampamuno or da hujinem. The pimpi is still in there. The pimper is still there, and the pimptor is still around. The pimpy is there, the pimpter is there, and the pimper is there. So you can see, Rosemond, concurrently, they are still there, and nobody has been able to say, Rosemond, you have been fired. No, beyond to me, kanye. Adenti beyond to me, kanye. Why? Adentra, makomnaba, adana, nana, ajibro. I say, adentra, why? Makomnaba, I come the bad and where is I don't want mudana, makomnaba. Ain't Mustafa Salam him or say, young friend who can't chain and credit what can come put any kit to him. Or say a doom baby, not a fay Rosemond Efre Bawumia, Papa. I am late. Acha, the or say, maybe do ye. People Jimmy, wa better Bawumia to now. Just a go for you, Jimmy. Or see mrebi baye. Now say Ura Bawumia officer. Gani Boma, Papa, please can I come? Papa. Zadzi. Just okay Zadzi and go for so or Fra Bawumia Zadzi. Interesting no Fra Bawumia Papa. And your Papa. And say Duncan William Jana no Papa. Papa. I say your Papa be a gumu I Papa. Bawumia son kashi Papa. I said, you're not a hair no kuma. The amount for Kwaromu complaining say, I'm baby regardless on the bay Papa Ediane. Gana so no biano. Na be to make us and trust work for baby MPP so no member of Mediane. Gana muso no biano and there or so be about Mediane and or suffer Bawumia Papa. And yet Duncan William dear Papa. Papa there's anything Memuda ho. I Boni bienu. Oh Papa Duncan Papa. Or say na girl na Efre Bawumia Papa. Zadzi. Because also Oka Zadzia D-A-D-D-D-D-D-Y Dadzi into on person beka Dadzi no can Papa but na Papa no emunya yedem ne more de Papa or say afre na Rosemond Efre Bawumia Papa no say asemi siye eno kwa na man who say bibi problem bi koso ene den ono na bie na no kan o say Mr. Asian tem Mo afina mo ba no de match why you late that I want why you late Mustafa Salam ya kasana o say ade bi siye na ne political life ebe sin there ohun bi da or say eno na amane yes our live no for Ghanaians to know what is happening. Rosemond ade a why ye unim say we nyina koso na Samira nim yeah bibi a make video fufuro bi a Samira was aware now. So papa ekosunyane papa enya papa oka papa na oka dankanwule enya dankanwule nyame de papa oh papa you see or see at a point papa Zazi Bawumia went to Sunyane. Zazi papa Bawumia went to Sunyane. Na Bawumia ko Sunyane no you see enyumbre na yewie campaign nyina wejimi ne ho awie no and we have done it and we have performed better and ni nyina we the draws mu afo a obi ankoda no and again di esun esimu osun ye pata na nyeye ye so one wa pivela na the draws kokko no obi ehu nyawotre ye so ma me ewu so da bi osun esun amu odene dadzi and ankofo pata gen say adenti na ade asan ye nyina ye nkoda ye nyina ye nkone ye nkoda na Bawumia nkoda na ye nyina ga na tue sum o se Rosemond esunye ema ne nufu sunsuo e se osuna na tade afọ o se eno ena otena o se adena girl yi su santi no ankasa wo ho ena o se da bi there's a problem because ye ne papa eba sunyane ena ade asa akobo 11:45 ye koda e o se obia ekoda the hotel na ye nyina ade chia na yakohu papa now girl ni so sum ye busa na onka ye genu bia ye nyeye ye mani nsu onnom ye so onye fruit juice so onye don see mo se pepe je say on peshe ye bia champagne su po so onnom je say ye tumi ma no ele wonyo okam wo se na pantan ye ne ya je say ye tumi ma no den eye eburo mu nsuo opamwe ya ma ne eburo mu nsuo mananom o se no and o su and obi se die na ekoso afega ni bira no I want to go and sleep in Papa's hotel. Hey! We su na hini no wadane mame ode we su gisika we yase we su ama na hini no enti oye on so wa se wa asma kakra and I'm serious when you abotre adan me pese me I want to sleep at Papa's hotel and close to his room and I go say why MVP ni enim da papa Zazi enti amanfo were shocked. As some way na mekayo a Mustafa Salem. Na me I didn't know about this. I have no idea. Na yetwa na Mustafa Salem ebe church nsem we mu nyina kire say asem ekosi wo sunyane nie. Ama sebio eye girl no esu ya na dweno ma sebio yesi o say so ane Bawumia nkoda Bawumia hotel a onye Rosemond papa Zazi enti e say amanfo ebo people were angry. People were frustrated. Mustafa Salam. Momi anko tie de oka ewe chire ka ho. Na monte story na see because me pese ye nyina eti ase minim MPP no. Wan chire mu ya ochina baba dane oma no. Anytime me bo video na ma chire mu na Ghana fo nyina ate de make na say. Momi anko tie the last part of Mustafa Salam the story no. Mr. Stay with me.
Then I get a call to DMB more than those people. And Papa said this, and Papa said that. Then people will say, no, this girl is talking too much. One time, Rosemond follows the vice president to Sunyani. And this girl goes to cry in Sunyani because she was not put in the same hotel as DMB. She was put in a different hotel. Not that hotel is bad, but just because she was not present in the hotel DMB was lodging. How can you behave this way? How can you behave this way when there's protocol to these things? That the very closest people to him are the close protection, his ADC, his valet, and so on and so forth. People who do immediate things for him. Even some of us who have worked with him for so long, we don't stay with him at the hotel all the time. We travel with him. We can be in faraway hotels. When day breaks, we all come back to where he is. So you get the opportunity to travel with him, and you go and put up a show, cry, because you're giving a hotel separate from where the man was. Then
now the question is, Okasano, or say, Rosemond followed Bawumia to Sunyane. Did Bawumia say no? And here Bawumia Jinaka Samamo Rosemond endimate because one, Rosemond ending kind ako. Aya protocol office ako tantrum ese Bawumia cheno. Bawumia anye bibia. The same Rosemond abetina meeting mo eni so tinem ama Samia ukaka se Rosemond mentinem ama Bawumia anka bibia. Mahmudu Bawumia nimse Rosemond ye nyoma bi wo office wa sebio de oye no enho nye enya de pa. Rosemond at a point ene nkofo akoso obedua Bawumia duane Bawumia mpamo no. Bawumia esa ko sunyano no Rosemond edi nechi ekodu sunyane. Okoduru oso a Rosemond se wanda bebia Bawumia da onti ase ena osum Bawumia mpamo no. Intimibusawu. The question is simple. We can go back a little bit and go listen to Insembia Rosemont Khan Mrebi about Mahmudu Bawumia and how Bawumia is not a man. Oba Jinoka say this guy is not a man. It is physical and spiritual. Because Ansan Oba Mbien Anonka say you are not a man enough to make decisions onimu inside out. Sebio onim sebio obema tintin san yetie onim unipa banya woye enti when this lady time of free MPP ekotena TV so eye bold catch Ghana for say onim Bawumia onye bema mu onye bema ehwa ebode nantema obetumi akasa se bema ama wahye nipa so ama nipa edi nechi enti time again free MPP no na o kan sem ya nipa bebre say na gen we edie na wonim. And Mustafa Salam Abakache say, Rosemond knew a lot, has a lot, felt a lot, was in there and experienced a lot from Papa. It is out here girl no interview now. Mrs. So out here girl interview now in Mrebi or Grantia now. You will see clearly say Rosemond na our reason for and some no kano. Na onkan keke mumia ko tie Rosemond time oya na adwese ono abefri MPP mu enti ade nsa na Rosemond kan na yemfa toto Salam Mustafa nsem no enu nti na ebia na yentumi mpam no free MPP Bawumia office no.
I work closely with Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia as his personal assistant at his campaign office. So I worked with him. And
what was that like?
Well, at the initial stage it was cool, you know. We all heard it in this country, the economic messiah, the economic waistcoat. So I was excited to have the opportunity to work closely with him, book his appointment at the campaign office, sit in his meetings and write his minutes, serve him his coffee, his food, and whatever he may assign me to do. And also did travel sometimes with him. So it was very exciting, I would say. But along the line, I realized Dr. Bawumia lacked leadership. He was not just my boss, he was like a father to me. Lacked leadership. He was not just my boss, he was like a father to me. At a point in time, an incident happened at the office. But I will not go into details now. I won't go into details. But with the leadership, he was not just my boss, he was like a father to me. At a point in time, an incident happened at the office. But I will not go into details now. I won't go into details. But with the approach to that particular situation, I realized it lacked leadership. I realized that.
What was the approach?
His approach lacked boldness, firmness, fairness, and courage.
Really?
And these are essential qualities of any good leader.
But there's a leader who is saying he has bold solutions, you know, for the people of Ghana. You are saying he lacked boldness in taking decisions at his office?
He cannot. You know, I came to the conclusion that with what happened, he's easily manipulated and dictated to.
Really?
It's sad, but people control Dr. Bawumia.
Seriously?
People tell him what to do. And it's sad that a leader will not have an opinion of his own. It's sad.
This is the vice president of the country we're talking about.
Well, he holds the position, but who is he when it comes to his leadership style? That is what we are talking about.
What did you see at the office which is making you jump, or should I say arrive at this?
I would say, I will still not go into the issues. I know you're trying to push me. But with his approach, when it comes to solving issues, putting his foot down when it matters the most, pulling the bull by the horn, correcting people when they are misbehaving. He cannot even correct.
The woman was emphatic. Rosemond said, Mahmoud Bawumia was not just anybody or just a boss to me. He was like Papa. I feel you are connecting the dots. Go on Internet TV, so see, Bawumia was not just a boss to me. Oh. He was like my father. Bawumia treated me like my father. My father gave me shelter. Your father will always give you shelter. Your father will give you care. Your father will give you whatever you need as a young lady. Your father will provide your needs. Your father will make sure when you go wrong, he will rebuke you indoors. But outside, he will not have the balls to tell people this is what I did. So the girl was using words, figurative language here. I say, Bawumia to send me papa. Internet friend office, papa. It TV, so I said, this man, it was like a father to me. And when a lady passionately and quietly sit on national television to say the vice president was not just a boss, but like a father, it means she was trying to let you know it was not a relationship, a boss servant or boss subordinate. It was beyond that. And now, say, you know something? This man has no courage. He is not a man. What will make a woman sit on national television to say, he wasn't a man, he lacked leadership. And when a woman tells a man you lack leadership, it means when you are indoors, you don't have the capacity to act like a man. Papa did not have that akukudro to take control, take charge, be the man. So the girl was basically sending a message to Bawumia that you are weak. And not just weak politically, you are weak beyond being my boss. So your balance now ode reconnect Sibia Ketra Kayano to Salam Mustafa Sama. Now Soban wait Adan. Wait Besiane Asaman Mustafa Salim on Soban Wabetain. Infantilika de Asamne Tea Asiane tu Tokura bedem emwe bie. Enti se otina botena wonya botetie de oba ne kan ye ene de Mustafa Salam ebe de ebe confirm ya we toy asam na toy meaning infantinika se we toy na se tu na sen we tu intokura beda ho eliki enyunu we toy. Enti conclusively to end on this, because there's a part 2 to end on this, it means say Salam Mustafa be tu tokuro nase or the tokuro abeto asam nase yen nyina yehu say asam no the Bluetooth connected from Papa to Rosemond. And Nitina Papa could not be a man to sack Rosemond from his office until Rosemond was ready, decided to walk. Asam nankasa, ladies and gentlemen, wait that yenso yebeboa mansune nwin.
We don't have to borrow money from anywhere. We don't have to borrow money from anywhere. Just toll the various sections of the road and we'll raise the money to do the roads in Ghana.